Hi, it's Andy here from Davey Welding Supplies, and today we're going to be unboxing the Crystal 2.0 from Optrel. So when you receive your Optrel Crystal 2.0, you're going to be getting a spare outer protection plate. You'll get the Optrel Crystal 2.0 helmet itself, and you also get some other goodies. You'll get a microfiber cleaning cloth. You get a product overview showing you the rest of the helmets in the Optrel range. You get the instruction manual, basic maintenance chart. You get Optrel's warranty card. Now this is important. You get 2 years warranty on your Optrel helmet as standard, but if you register your product on Optrel.com, you get a further year, making it a full 3-year warranty, which is really worth doing. And as with all Optrel helmets, you also get a nice Optrel drawstring bag to keep the helmet in as well. So moving on, we're going to take a quick look at the features of the Optrel Crystal 2.0 helmet. We think that the Optrel Crystal 2.0 is an exceptional product, but if you'd like to see it for yourself, then you can visit us here at our trade counter in Southampton. You can also see the listing for the product online, the link is in the description. And if you'd like to see future content like this, such as unboxings and product reviews, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you very much for watching.